Every child from newborn to adolescence deserves the safest possible eye care. To provide this safe eye care, parents, school teachers, and the doctors need to collaborate and provide the best possible treatment to the kids. There are certain guidelines which can be followed for bringing this safe eye care to the kids. First is how frequently the child needs eye screening. So first eye screening should happen around 3 to 5 months of age. The second eye screening should happen in preschool, that is 3 to 5 years of age. And then every year when the child starts going to school, every year the eye screening should happen. The second concern is about the screen time which should be allowed for the kids. So usually infants up to 1 year should not be allowed any screen time. Between 2 to 5 years, 1 hour of screen time is allowed, and 5 to adolescents, the screen time should be less than 2 hours. The third important thing is how to prevent the progression of myopia. So nowadays, especially after the pandemic, we are seeing that myopia is progressing very rapidly in pediatric patients. Spending the time outdoors has found to be protective in preventing the progression of myopia. So we encourage that every kid should spend at least 2 hours in morning sunlight. You should not look at the sun directly, but your body should be exposed to the sunlight. Fourth important thing is routine infections like the conjunctivitis, allergic conjunctivitis, bacterial and viral conjunctivitis, which is very commonly seen in kids. That happens because of poor hand hygiene. The kids usually tend to rub their eyes with hands. So this should be taught to the kids that they should wash their hands properly, especially when they come from outdoors after playing outside or whenever they visit out. They should avoid contact with the eye. Whenever if they have any irritation, they should wash their eyes with water rather than rubbing the eyes. Another important thing is rule of 20-20-20. So because lot of kids are now doing their projects and school work on screen, they should follow this rule of 20-20-20. So after every 20 minutes of screen time, they should look at least 20 feet far for 20 seconds, blink their eyes for a couple of times so that the tear film redistributes and the strain from the muscles and dryness from the cornea is relieved, and this they should practice routinely whenever they are working on screen. Remember, early detection and safe practices in pediatric eye care can prevent lifelong vision impairment. Let us all work together for giving safe eye care to all our pediatric patients. Thank you.